Hello friends, good morning to all of you, and once again I welcome all of you in our English period. Yes, as we know that we already started a lesson, the thief story, a lesson which is written by Ruskin Bond, isn't it? Now we are very close to make an end of the lesson, and we will try to end our lesson today only. Therefore, without any delay, directly we are going to start a lesson. Once again, the short overlook to the characters. Now here, with the help of my friend, drawing master, Mr. Vishal, we have drawn the two pictures. Yes, we hope that you will try to understand the pictures. Here we have drawn a picture of Anil, and here we have drawn a picture of Hari Singh, who is known as a thief of this story. Now story we have already learned, and number of situation, number of things we have learned and discussed about the story. Now yesterday we were discussing that the thief or Hari Singh, isn't it? He had stolen 600 rupees under the mattress of Anil, and he had run away from Anil's home. Now he was waiting at the platform, isn't it? Purposely he had missed his train at 10:30 of Lucknow, and now he was waiting and he was thinking what he has to do or what he has to do next or further. Next, on page number 11, the very first passage. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. The night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. Now he himself somewhere sat in an open Maidan, or that is known as a ground. Like there was a bench or somewhere on the Maidan or on the ground. He sat there and he was waiting. He was thinking what to do. The night was chilly. Yes, in that night, or it was a period of month of November. They were the early days of November month, and the night it was somehow a little bit chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Means the man in an open ground, he was sitting on a bench. It was a cold weather or atmosphere, and to add the most important, or to add his discomfort, the short or the small droplets of rain, they were also falling down and it were creating his discomfort, or they were also increasing his tension. Soon it was raining quite heavily. Now, after some time, heavy rain, it started to fall. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. And in that heavy rain, what actually happened? The shirt and pajamas, they got stuck to the skin of the thief, or to Hari Singh, and the heavy blow of the droplet, they were facing trouble, or they were making trouble on to the face of the thief. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. And therefore, how to secure myself from the heavy rain? He started to run and he took shelter somewhere downside at the clock tower. Yes, near that clock tower, the clock had shown midnight, 12 o'clock, and I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain, and therefore it was not possible to secure the notes, and as it is, very automatically note or the bundle of 600 rupees, they became wet, or they were damp cause of the rain. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write old sentences anymore. No, I was still thinking about money. I had a bundle of 600 rupees, and I was thinking that this is known as the property of Anil. Maybe possible in the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema. I had stolen 600 rupees, but if I think about the company of Anil, surely Anil would have given me, or Anil surely he would give me hardly 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema and to celebrate the property. But now I have the complete property, but what I am thinking is totally different. I am still confused. whether I have done correct thing or the wrong thing. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences. Now I am totally free, isn't it? Now there is no need to go to the bazaar. There is no need to prepare the meal or the lunch for Anil, and there is no need to learn the sentences and the words which were promised by Anil. Means I am completely free. Now I don't have any tension. But a thing which was stuck in again and again his mind, whether he had made a mistake or not. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. The whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. Isn't it? I have already stolen 600 rupees, and surely these 600 rupees, once again, they were increasing my compliment, or they will increase the proper title that I was a thief in my past and still I am a thief in my present. But if I once again remember the lessons which were taught by Anil, if I will try to learn the lesson and the numbers again and again, surely somewhere I will, or somewhere I will get a chance in my life to become a good person or to be a respected man in my life. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous. And now this is the time where a thief, he realized, yes, surely 100% I have made the biggest mistake of my life. By thinking that, he realized his mistake and he started to run. He hurriedly back to the room feeling very nervous. He started to run back, and now he was at the doorstep of Anil. Once again he back to the home of Anil. Feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Isn't it? And that is the reason why the writers are known as the great writers of English literature, or why Rusty Bond is known as the great writer of English literature. Isn't it? Yes, in a very simple language, there is a concept or there is a title in English language that goodness and wisdom of a person can change one's mind or can change the one's situation and circumstances. बरोबर. सिंपल मराठी एखाद्या चांगल्या व्यक्तीच्या संपर्कात जर गेलो तर 100% आपलं आयुष्य देखील पूर्णपणे बदलू शकतं किंवा आपल्या आयुष्यात देखील आमूलाग्र बदल घडू शकतात. चांगला व्यक्ती आणि त्याच्या संपर्कात आला एक thief आणि 15 वर्ष कंटिन्यूअस चोरी करताना लोकांना मूर्ख बनवताना 15 वर्ष त्याने वाया घातले. परंतु अनेकच्या चांगल्या किंवा गुड कंपनीमध्ये जेव्हा तू जातो त्यावेळेस मात्र आज फर्स्ट टाइम किंवा पहिल्यांदा आपण काहीतरी चूक करतोय, आपण काहीतरी मूर्खपणा करतो याची त्याला जाणीव होते आणि यस फर्स्ट टाइम चोरलेली वस्तू हा पुन्हा देण्यासाठी परत असतो. किंवा वाक्य किंवा सेंटेन्स एकदम इंटरेस्टिंग आहे. टू स्टील समथिंग इट इज व्हेरी इजी जॉब, बट टू रिटर्न द सेम थिंग अगेन back to its place, that is very hard job. It needs a brave heart, or it needs a daring heart. And therefore, yes, the sentence is, it is much easier to steal something than to return. एखादी गोष्ट चोरणं ही खूप सोपं आहे, परंतु प्रामाणिकपणे ती वस्तू पुन्हा परत देणं त्या व्यक्तीला ही गोष्ट फार अवघड आहे. किंवा या कार्यासाठी किंवा या कामासाठी खरंच वाघाचं काळीज त्या ठिकाणी पाहिजे असते. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. Now that was the situation how he put the 600 rupees back to its own and the real place. As he came, he opened the door. Once again, slowly he came to Anil, and again in that condition or in that sleeping condition, very slowly he took the bundle and properly kept the bundle at its original and the real place. That was the honesty it had shown very first time by the thief. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. प्रामाणिकपणे परत एकदा जो बंडल ज्या ठिकाणाहून त्याने काढलेला असतो तोच बंडल पुन्हा एकदा त्याच ठिकाणी तो ठेवून देतो किंवा लपवतो, जणू कुठलीही गोष्ट घडलेली नाही किंवा जणू कुठलाही चोरीचा प्रकार त्या ठिकाणी घडलेला नसतो. मग दुसऱ्या दिवशी I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. Now in the next morning, what actually happened? Anil, he woke up early and Anil, he had prepared tea for both the characters. He stretched out his hands towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. And yes, he prepared tea, or Anil had made a tea. Anil woke up to a thief or to Hari Singh, and as Hari Singh he woke up, immediately by using his two fingers, he fixed a note of rupees 50 and he had given to the thief, just take your property or take this rupees 50 and enjoy your day. Once again, he stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. मला देखील असं वाटतं की यस, रात्री जो प्रकार मी केला, रात्री जो चोरीचा प्रकार मी केला, ती गोष्ट किंवा ती चोरी 100% अनिलच्या लक्षात आली असेल आणि त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावरचे हावभाव किंवा 50 रुपये देण्याची पद्धत ज्यावेळेस त्यांनी माझ्याकडे 50 नोट केली, मी असं करून चुकलो की 100% आपली चोरी पकडली गेली. But we have already learned that Anil is known as a great-hearted person, a broad-minded person. प्रत्येक वेळेस अनेक चुका चीफ करण्यात गेले जातात, परंतु कुठलीही चूक किंवा कुठल्याही चुकीची वाच्यता किंवा कुठल्याही चुकीबद्दल त्याला जास्त बोलणं किंवा त्याला जास्त त्रास देणं आणि असं काम कधीही करत नाही. प्रत्येक वेळेस अनिलनं त्याच्या मनाचा मोठेपणा आपल्याला दाखवलाय. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. Isn't it? What actually happened? Yesterday I had made 600 rupees, isn't it? And now it is possible for me to pay after every month, and therefore, yes, I made some money yesterday. He explained. Now you will be paid regularly. दररोज किंवा प्रत्येक महिन्याला तुझा पगार आता मी करेल किंवा करणार, एवढा पैसा मी आता कमवू शकतो. Therefore, don't worry, said Anil to think. My spirit rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. That was the fact. Means एखाद्या व्यक्ती ज्यावेळेस पावसामध्ये चालतोय, कुठल्याही प्रकारचा आधार न घेता, छत्रीचा आधार न घेता 100% त्याच्या खिशामध्ये असणारे वस्तू या पावसामध्ये ओल्या होणार. 100% तीच गोष्ट घडते की खिशामध्ये असणारा एक बंडल, तो देखील प्रत्येक नोट ही ओली असते किंवा पावसाच्या पाण्याने भिजली असते. आणि ज्यावेळेस 50 नोट हातामध्ये घेतो, ही आतापर्यंत देखील त्याच कंडिशनमध्ये ओली असते. ही गोष्ट त्या थीफला जाणवते. माय स्पिरिट रोज, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most ugly way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. Once again, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. Means the next person had made a mistake, the next person he made me fool, or the next person is very troublesome for my life, but nothing had shown Anil by using his face or on his face. Still he was ready to forgive all the mistakes of a thief. Means somewhere Anil had decided, somewhere mentally he was prepared to change the life of that thief, and he wanted to change a thief into a very common and simple man, and that was the reason he said, today we will start writing sentences. आजपासून आपण sentences किंवा वाक्य लिहायला सुरुवात करणार. हे त्याचा प्रॉमिस तो आज पूर्ण करणार किंवा आजपासून ती प्रॅक्टिस सुरू करणार. And therefore, after this sentence, when the thief heard the sentence, he had given very first time the natural smile just from bottom of his heart. बरोबर. मग यालाच आपण बोलू शकतो की यस, एखाद्या चांगल्या व्यक्तीच्या संपर्कात जर आपण आलो, 100% आपलं आयुष्य देखील बदलू शकतं. सेम कंडिशन या थिफच्या बाबतीत घडली. बरोबर. when thief he came in the company of Anil, cause of Anil's goodness and cause of Anil's wisdom, the complete life of a thief, it was changed, and now thief started to live a very comfortable life of a common man, a comfortable life of a genius person. Okay, now here today we are going to wind up the lesson. Here today I declare that lesson is already over. Hope you people have understand the lesson. Once again, I request all of you, if you like our lesson, if you like our videos, please share this video, subscribe the video and watch the video again and again. Thank you. Have a nice day.